You're reading a
Sword.
statement.
I'm not reading. I'm looking at you and talking. You can check it in the camera.
But
I'm looking at you and speaking.
I want to say
I'm
that-
not reading.
I want to put out a concern to you. People said...
You have notes before you. Shall I say you're reading?
I have questions in front of me.
All right, I have notes in front of me. Nothing forbids me from having notes.
Chief Minister...
I am not reading. I'm looking at you straight in the eye. I look everyone straight in the eye.
You arrested a man who was 77.
The age has nothing to do with
former
corruption.
Chief Minister of 14 years standing.
I too was a former Chief Minister
So
when
was
I
it
was
revenge?
arrested.
Was it vengeance?
It was not vengeance. He was involved in a corruption case.
You have a choice to pick and choose the questions you wish to answer, but don't you
It's my
believe that...
democratic right.
But a lady who
I
was
don't
your...
have to answer every question you put to me.
A pleasure talking to you on Hard Talking.
I must say it wasn't a pleasure talking to you. Namaste.
I'm sorry that you say that, but...